Okay, recording again. Where's everyone?
I am now empty!
Well, that's it. I need to sell some stuff actually.
Yeah, cut the selling parts out.
Barf! So we're playing Borderlands. Oh god, a fire.
I'll deal with this!
Grenade!
I'll run away now!
He's breathing fire! You're not a dragon. You are dishonorable!
Oh, a better heater than the one I've got now. Burning one.
Kind of expensive. I'm out of ammo because you stole all the fucking ammo.
You have fists, you don't need ammo.
Wait, I'm using.
Dirt! Oh, I'll come pick you up, Fifter. Fifter, this isn't Pokemon. Water doesn't affect him that much.
It will work!
Oh my god. I'm hiding behind
I know.
you.
I love how the bitch is still attacking me.
He's shooting him, he's gone.
I killed him!
I think Kirsty killed him.
No, I killed him! Definitely me.
Slag.
Where's my ammo? There we go. So, yeah, just in case that first bit didn't record, we're playing Borderlands because we can and we want to. And no one can
And I have
stop
a
us.
vagina.
I
Yes,
just picked an SMG, didn't want that, I'll drop
Kirsty
it.
has a gaping face.
Hey.
Oh, I can get health from my wing person.
From my
Oh,
wiener.
that's cool. You don't need to press E to compare, making it awkward. You just press right click and you get a list of options.
Market.com.
Compare a meerkat.
Oh, bitch.
That didn't work.
Compare the meerkat.
Help me!
He's peasing. He's peasing. Quick,
Oh my
shoot.
god, he poisoned, he poisoned.
Shit, there's
There's
two!
Fire one. Ah, elemental death.
Help me!
I love
quick!
that.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'll pick you up. Ow, I'm being hit in the face.
Quick!
Oh.
Press E! Okay.
Well, if you're gonna be like that.
Oh!
Oh my god. Go, Steve! Don't buzz around their face. Thank you. In the face. Good God.
I think I got him.
I like the fire. Ow! I don't like him though.
You got it away in my bullet.
Face is a bullet.
Anyone?
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Babby King. Oh, fine.
Yeah, bitch. He
Eat
glows in
that.
the dark.
Eat
He's
Steve.
amazing.
My god, this banger revolver ASSP. I'm gonna spank it with my shit.
I got him!
What's this? Oh, it's a pistol, dude. Rubbish.
Got him with my fists.
Yeah.
I picked up a shield that I didn't want. Seem to do that. Seem to be doing that a lot.
Ah, yeah, you're on fire.
I got a sniper too.
Mom's got a sniper.
Tiny baby men.
Why am I missing?
Because I'm a better sniper.
Shut up, you.
Are you getting mad?
No, I'm getting jelly.
I ain't even mad.
Let's get ow. Ring around the brick.
I fell off. Where am I?
You're not up here helping me. That's the problem. Oh, this badass is hitting me in the face. It's nice. It's pleasant. That's not how you
I'm
make
back.
acquaintances.
I climbed the highest trees to save you.
There's no trees.
Exactly, that's why I'm so amazing. This psycho's mine!
Oh god, you scared the hell out of me.
Guys, this psycho's not going down easy.
What, is it the badass?
Yeah.
Oh, well, me and Kirsty are being the radio. It's in this pile.
Yielding, shielding.
Is he dead yet?
It is now.
Hello down there.
Oh, increasing my melee damage. And then after that, I'm decreasing my cooldown.
What is this?
Oh, I still have to do all them. I've still got like 6 points.
What? You fool!
Oh, God. Which tree?
I was gonna do them before and
Which
then.
tree have you gone down, by the way?
I
Okay,
haven't
have,
done any yet.
have a look at them all first. You'll be able to see, like, it's best to go down the one which lowers the cooldown. Though I'm not sure about Siren because I don't know how fast
I
you.
like the accessory one, I think it is.
I need more ammo for this.
I need more bird. Bird need more of, do I?
Okay, I'm done. Whee!
Just hanging around with what a very shortless man.
Oh my god, look at his tiny arm! I wonder if that's his wank arm as well. He like bends himself right over and
I think it's the right arm.
I need help!
So do
Too
I.
late for you.
Okay, I'm back.
Got ya.
Oh!
Okay, I saved you.
Thank you, thank
Go
you.
Steve. Steve did damage. Steve is cool. Oh, I'm down.
Oh, it's a battle cry.
Passionate.
Right, someone's gun is right in my. They're all beating me up.
Right in your throat. Beating you up. Throw. What are you gonna say?
Rush. Oh, you kidding me? I killed him just as I died.
That's a bird.
You're a bird.
I'm like a bird.
I'm like a bird.
Reminds me
Oh,
of.
fine.
It's only you.
Fucking angry bastard.
Someone's like Mardy.
Someone's on their period.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh yeah. You know, woman.
I brought a friend!
I don't like him killing. Stealing his money. I feel like this is like GTA though.
No, I always beat up old ladies.
Oh, wow.
Bull.
Hey Nico, wanna go bowling?
Hey, cousin! Actually, this guy looks like your cousin.
Oh, you bastards! Who exploded the
Burning
corrosive
shit.
barrels?
I hate it. It's such a crappy weapon.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, but I don't like faggots.
I don't mind faggots. It tastes quite nice.
I don't like them.
Especially when they're drenched.
Oh
in
no!
vinegar. Yeah, mind picking me up.
Oh shit, that was
leveled
lucky.
up. Fantabulous. What's that? Not mine.
I thought he was a bruiser, then I was like, oh.
Oh god, cycling.
There's
to
a
pound?
sniper. Yeah, I just don't think it's as good as yours.
Oh, where is it?
It's got 67 damage. Ow.
No, it's nowhere near as good as mine.
Well, excuse
Yeah, mine's
you.
amazing. You should have known this by now.
Explosive Merv.
Murph?
Merv.
Explosive Murph.
Merv.
Yeah, I said it. It's a problem that haunts most women. Oh god, alpha slags. Slag stags. Oh god.
Oh, bad time to crouch.
No, do not want to get the map up at this point.
Oh,
You're not so tough, alpha skag.
I have ammo in everything.
Wait,
Apart
are
from the
you-
sniper.
You keep forgetting to pick it up after a while.
Need help.
Knee high.
Hoing.
Ni hao!
Funny badges.
I'm coming to save you!
Badges.
Blah, 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 blah. You killed them all. You shoot your crotch.
I'll be
Oh
up.
god. It's in my face. Ni hao.
Big, stand next to this so we spawn here.
Ni hao. Get on the floor. Ni hao.
Oh dear! I'll punch them!
Yes, punch the birds. Well, not birds, really. Go Steve! Be with your family.
I'm shooting them out of the sky with a sniper. Now I'm out of ammo in everything. Ah, they're coming for me!
Take him down! There's a big rack layer. Lol.
Later.
Okay, yeah,
Right.
I'm out of ammo for everything. I'm gonna have to knife this dude. Like a chav.
Good one. Shanked him in the
Shank
shank.
it like a chav.
Pow!
I beg your pardon. I beg your pudding.
Oh, I want some pudding now.
No, you
I do, I want some pudding.
don't.
I do!
Pizza.
Food, glorious food.
Have some more.
Hot sausage and mustard. While we're in the mood. Cold jelly and custard.
Are those the actual words?
Yes.
Copyright!
Play.
Oh, we're gonna get sued now! Oh shit, I just switched
I'll
my
sue him back. For no reason. So I'm gonna sue you.
Yeah,
No,
when
I'll
you sue
tell-
me for my money, I'll sue you back for it. No, blah, 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 blah.
I'll challenge them to a game of Quake.
Lol.
I'll sue you for suing me unintentionally.
I'm just pouring myself a... Can you hear the guinea pigs?
No, I cannot. Yes, I can. Just there. Everyone that's Kirsty's guinea pigs.
Yo, piggies. Hey, yo.
Can they play another character?
Hemingway can. He's quite smart. He once looked at me and squeaked. I think he was calling my name.
Oh my god, I can do that.
Anyway, any of you ever seen the movie Witches?
No.
Well, a few actors played in it. Like Rowan Atkinson was in it.
What's this
And
got?
it's like, I don't know. You said that a hamster winked, but like, in that movie, a guy.
didn't.
He squeaked.
What's this got to do with guinea pigs? You said a hamster winked. No.
Remember that one time?
Oh, I do.
I'm taking that.
Anyway. Yeah, is the other one a bit thick then?
The other one looks a bit stupid and it dribbles. And I've checked its teeth, so I don't think it's its teeth that are causing it to dribble, and it can eat fine, so I think it's just a spaz.
What's the other one called?
Boris Johnson?
Lol. It's over the internet now.
Hemingway and
Oh,
Boris.
there's the guy we have to
He's
kill.
called Heath.
Yep, that's the guy.
Totally the guy you have to kill.
Yep. It's the guy that was hanging.
He's just hanging around. Get it? I'm so funny.
That joke was actually pretty shit. I don't even know why you're laughing.
I've sense of pissing humour.
I'm gonna buy sniper ammo because I'm cool.
I like to hear the peeking. I might use my mouse now and stuff.
You're gonna what?
Use my mouse because I
I
can't
thought
be.
you said you're gonna eat a mouse. It's like, ew, you rapist.
What? I ate a mouse, so I'm oh. I really want to get my herbalism skill up for some reason.
For God's sake.
I don't remember that skill being in Borderlands.
I wish it was.
Oh shit!
Has everyone just gone off without me?
Oh, yeah, sorry, like a couple of feet.
More than a couple of feet.
Your couple of feet.
I have a couple of feet. They're ready to be tickled.
I killed him.
One.
Okay, as soon as my shield regenerates, I'll deal with the rest.
Hey! There's rockets over here.
Nice.
I think I hear them. I can see the code.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh shit.
Ah, I got stuck
Well, at least you're blocked in the doorway.
with my body.
My body, your body. Oh, God. Shoot them!
Help me!
Anyone?
I mean, help you. We're dead.
Oh right.
You muckhead. You muckhead. My body, your body.
Well, that was a complete fail, yours.
Yours.
Oh, dude.
We don't go back too far. It's okay today.
It's okay. We didn't go that far back.
Blah, 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 blah. That's what you said.
We only lost a few Skyrims.
Oh, I can't wait for Skyrim.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna Argonian the crap out of
I know, I really want to be an Argonian.
I'm gonna be a woman though, because if there's gonna be perks, there may be perks that involve
the game.
women.
Perky boobs.
I'm the best kind of sniper, close range.
That's... I'm the best kind of sniper. Close range. Silly. A silly willy.
I become a lot more powerful when I get effects.
Powerful! When you get a face.
Yeah.
Wasn't there something around here to pick up? Before?
Yeah, claptrap.
Oh, a badass. There's a badass.
No, there isn't.
A rowdy machine... Oh.
Rowdy.
Yep, it was a machine.
Rolls.
See, there's no soldier here, I think I'll take his stuff.
Totally not a reference.
I'm stuck in a corner with a
God,
psycho.
Mutant midget psycho. It's the kind of thing that you think of in your dreams.
Oh, I don't want to think about that in my dreams.
God, turn around, you're looking at me. I will not lick through your pants.
What if you sieve through them?
Sick ice cream. Oh, you Willy, he exploded himself so I couldn't breathe.
How do I throw grenades again on
G.
the board?
What's up, G?
Okay.
Oh,
It's G for...
oh, would you look at that? You're both down.
Help me help!
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't get there in time. Oh, I didn't get there in time.
You fucking slag.
Actually, didn't.
Kind of lost now, where am I?
Oh, muppets.
Christmas Carol. You're old Mr. Humbug. You're old Mr.
Help me up! Wait, help me up! Help me up!
Hello.
How dare you kill me!
If there was a prize, being green and me with me.